Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me in Vegas. So I am here with my family and my boyfriend, and I'm still a little sick, so bear with me. But I do have my travel makeup right here, so we're going to do a little get ready with me, and I'll probably do a couple clips at the end of this video just showing you guys our adventure today. Today's our full day here in Vegas. We have a really great view. I'll insert some clips of that. We have the sphere over here. We have the link little, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a really nice view from this room. So I really am enjoying it. We get a really big window here. We didn't do a room tour, but the room is actually really nice. We're staying at the Horseshoe Hotel. My phone is like slightly tilting over. I have it attached to the window, girl, but I don't know how long this is gonna last. Let's just get into it before my phone falls, okay? So if you want to see what's going on, what my face is gonna look like by the end of this video, and hopefully the angle stays at this position, I don't know, we'll see how this video goes. Just keep on watching. So again, I do have my travel bag. This bag is actually from, is it from Shein or Temu? It's like those classic bags that everybody's been purchasing. Let me show you guys what I brought along with me. We have my Too Faced palette that my mom bought me for Christmas. It has like all the pinky tones. I think I'm gonna wear my Vegas sweater today. I don't know. My I Heart Revolution setting spray. I was gonna do a TikTok video showing you guys what I was bringing. I have my lashes, but I don't know what happened. We have this because it's super easy, quick. I have 3 colors in here: Revolution and the Simpsons Halloween trio. Be Batty mascara. We have L'Oreal foundation. So let's just jump in. Let me bring everything out so we could just like start before my phone gets slanty even more. MINISTAR powder, SHEGLAM powder. So I'm gonna take my O.TWO.O Studio first. This is the I Heart Do little lip balm. Then we're getting ready here instead of the restroom. The restroom is really pretty, but I don't know, the view is just really nice. So I really love this because it's so nice. I love the huge doe foot applicator. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my brows. I went ahead and brought along my favorite SHEGLAM brow product. I did again do a polling, and I was gonna bring my Shop My Stash makeup, but this is gonna be easier, just like a bunch of different products, so I'm not like just reiterating the same stuff. And also my Shop My Stash makeup was Barbie makeup, so yeah, but this is just like random things that I brought. I did also repurchase my e.l.f. foundation or CC cream, and it did not come on time, which I'm really sad about, which is why I brought my next favorite one, the L'Oreal. So let me go ahead and get started on the brows. And then after like 3 weeks of no makeup, I put on some foundation and I already have a pimple right there. Why? Okay, one brow done. I didn't even bring a spoolie. It looks like the sun is coming out finally. It was a little rainy earlier. I hope you guys could hear me. My hair is getting really long now, so it's like next to the mic, but yeah, it was kind of sprinkling earlier, but the sun is coming out again. Sorry about the slight it's annoying, but I have 2 primers with me. We have the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. I think I have the other Power Grip from Temu in my Shop My Stash, but I brought the e.l.f. version. And I also have the O.TWO.O Zero Pores Sniper makeup primer from Temu. So this is what is going to keep our makeup on today. So I'm going to take some of that and just go to town. Yes, so we got here yesterday. We played some slots. I literally, I don't even want to say how much I played, but played quite a bit. I lost less than half of it, so it's just about the game. It's not about winning or losing, but I did thankfully win some of it back, but it's just all about having fun. We played some slots. We also went, since we are staying at the Horseshoe Hotel, it's like right next to the Paris, if you guys have stayed there, if you're familiar. And these 2 hotels are actually connected, so you don't have to go outside. And since me and my family are sick, we didn't want to go outside while it was really cold last night, so we ended up kind of staying inside. And they also do have a mall, so we just walked through the mall, got a hot chocolate, some macaroons. What else did we do? We played some slots. We ate at Johnny Rockets, which they actually have downstairs. They also do have an arcade here. They have mini golf. They have a lot of cool things in this hotel, which I'm really coming to enjoy. And again, the actual like room is really nice as well. It's really big and roomy. Let me go ahead and just throw on foundation already. L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear situation. I use mine in the shade Natural Buff. My boyfriend is currently over at my grandparents' room so I can film. I'm gonna start just blending this in. I'm gonna end up moving my hair back so I don't get any foundation on it. But again, this view, girl, so nice. And I had woken up quite early this morning and I took a much needed nap. So I'm feeling much better now. For concealer, we have the SHEGLAM concealer. I did not bring any cream products, girl, because no, it's gonna be too much work. You know what? I haven't done this in a while, but let's go ahead and do the huge all over the face concealer. Why? We're being wild. This concealer is actually really nice. Now that we're here, obviously they don't really clean these windows very much, as you can see, very often, but this is the view that we have right now. The sphere is right here. Oh, right there. Yeah, that's like what I'm looking at right now. The sun is finally out. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the under eyes. I have my, again, MINISTAR powder here with my little puff. Just gonna set before they start to crease, girl. And I'm just gonna set the T-zone area as well. And if you guys watched my get ready with me using my Shop My Stash makeup, it should already be up. I used the SHEGLAM Hydro like powder. I was so oily last night. It was wild. Not for my skin type at all. But it's cute and pink, which is why I wanted to try it. Cute. Also taking the SHEGLAM powder. Got my brushes out. This is like basically everything I brought. Mini little brushes. Take the fluffiest one and I'm just gonna throw that all over the face. Taking my trio, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze and blush and highlight the face. Take some bronzer and just start sculpting out the face. Like once the sun is out, it's just like everything is okay in the world. When it's cloudy, girl, just like so sleepy. I'm just gonna use this mirror. Oh, how I missed doing my makeup. Taking the blush next. We're gonna really get rosy vibes. Highlight. Now that we're here, I think I'm gonna go back to the brows and I'm just gonna perfect them a little bit more so we could just set them down. I'm gonna take these two today. This is the lip combo that I brought with me from yesterday, but I'm not gonna wear that. We're gonna do lips now that we're here. EBIN New York Auto Lip Liner. And also my SHEGLAM duo that I've shown you guys before. This is so good. Take that in the center. You know what? I'm not gonna do gloss just yet because I haven't had breakfast and I'm gonna go to my grandma's after this to go eat. You know, so I don't wanna ruin my gloss or anything. I forgot to set my brows, girl. NYX, the brow glue, came along with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the brows. Literally forgot. Take the e.l.f. liner on the lower lash line here. Right, that just like makes me look more like, you know, I'm here. Let's go ahead and get into eyeshadow again. This is the palette that I brought. We're gonna do some pinky vibes with this. brought like a couple of brushes with me, nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna create a pinky kind of vibe. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I have a couple of eyelash options. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna throw on my favorite Shop Miss A ones or try some different ones. I don't know. This shade is blending beautifully. I'm gonna take the darkest like brown shade on the lower lash line and just smoke it out. We're going very vampy vibes on the lower lash line today. It's like when they take that picture that you won the lottery, you want to look good, okay girl? That you won the slots. I'm gonna take the nice list and just throw that here. And kind of like even bring it up a bit. Just to open the eyes a little bit. It's a pretty palette. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing using my e.l.f. liner. You guys know I love this. All right, taking my Be Batty mascara. And then we're gonna do lashes. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Now we just need some wild lashes to finish this look. So I'm gonna look in here. We have a few options. We'll have to retire my AOA Studio ones because they're just wild. Okay, so I threw on some lashes. These look so good. Lastly, we're gonna throw on some setting spray, the e.l.f., the I Heart Revolution from the e.l.f. movie collab. That is it for today's makeup. An up close look at this look. And that's pretty much what's going on, girl. I'm just gonna change, go eat some breakfast. This is pretty much the look today. And I think I'm gonna wear my Vegas sweater that I bought here on our last trip, and we're gonna see what happens. We're thinking we might go to eat at Margaritaville, maybe go to Bellagio. My grandfather loves to go over there and play some slots, so we might do that today. I don't know. It's kind of cold outside, so I don't know if we're gonna but yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one.